Okay, so I wanted to do a little, I guess, Southwest flavor nail art still on my Cowboy Carter. After I do my D&D gel, then I hit it with the matte from Koopa because I'm going to airbrush over this set. This is like a crocodile type gel that I ended up getting from AliExpress like 7 years ago. I went to look for it, they don't have it anymore. These are some custom stencils. I'm using the One Air airbrush paint and I'm doing like a cowboy French is what I'm going to call it. It came out super cute. Like I said, these are custom stencils. I made them. We wanted to add some stars because, you know, what are cowboys without stars? Yeah, cowboys be having stars. So we added some stars. I'm going to do an additional detail and add an actual cowboy to each of the nails with the stars on it because I just think like it's a cool little motif. We're going to stay with the browns. So, you know. And I'm just taking the stars. This is from the nesting stencil pack. So I'm just taking the stars from one to the other. Typically, this is how I would do it if I was like working on an actual client. That's a chocolate airbrush paint from One Air. It's acrylic water-based airbrush paint. I'll put the link for that below. This is another custom stencil from I was thinking to make a cowboy stencil pack, but then I didn't think anybody would want that. But if you do, comment below and I'll see what I can do. Take some pictures and add it to the website. But if nobody asks for it, I'm not doing it. All right. This is the cowboy I was talking about. So we got one that's bucking. He's on a horse. And then the lady, the cowgirl, she is chilling. Oh, no, no. Yeah, she's just chilling, but the horse is also bucking, right? This is a silicone mold that's like an animal skull. I don't know. Not a horse. A ram, maybe? Thought it'd be cool. This is another cowboy type motif. If you remember, like those jackets that cowboys wear and cowgirls wear, like they have the little relief areas. That's what that is. And then I wanted to do a bandana, but I wanted to stamp it. And then I wanted to make it look kind of raised. So I took a square and I airbrushed the bottom part. Right? Now this, I'm using airbrush gel. I'm using airbrush gel because the little skull thing is made out of gel. And it'll be easier for gel to stick to gel, right? Yeah. So this is gel from Blue Amethyst. I'll link that below. You can stamp with it. It is her one stroke gels. You can stamp with them. This stamping plate is a bandana stamping plate. I'll put the link for that in the bottom if you want to, do some bandana nails, whatevs. So stamp it. Yeah, with just a clear silicone stamper. Cure it in a lamp. I think I did like 60 seconds. I don't know. Then I got some chrome here. It's like a bronze chrome from Express Gloss. Oh, everything's going to be in the bottom. All right. Yeah. Then you just burnish that into your tack-free gel polish. And then what is a cowboy look without studs? So studs, my crystal katana is super ratty. I added the little skull head to that part. I'm going to show you guys what the final look is. I love my crystal katana. I'm not going to lie to you. It's amazing. So this is what the final look came out to be. They're really cute. They're a size medium press on. I end up doing this in between clients. I love to have time to just play in my nail stuff and let creativity go. Let me know what you think about this like cowboyish look, cowgirl look. Thank you.